Hello guys, welcome back to part 6 of this System.io tutorial for beginners in 2025. Now, in this particular series, I'm going to talk about email broadcast. Now, how to create an email broadcast in System.io, that is the topic that I'm going to cover today. Now, if you're not watched how to create your email automations or how to create your bridge page, landing page, and also how to do the custom domain setup and your personalized email address setting in System.io, you can always watch the videos in the description box below in order to get the full info. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do the funnel building setups and also how to do your email marketing setups, how to use tracking softwares, and also how to use your warm-up tools as an online business owner or an affiliate marketer, then please hit the subscribe button so that you get top quality informations on all these step-by-step methods and also tutorials on all the software. So now let's get straight to my screen. So this is the System.io dashboard, and if you've not got your free System.io account, you can always check out the link in the description box below to get your free account. Now, when you come to your System.io dashboard, first thing you need to do before sending an email broadcast is that you need to have a list. Now, list in a sense here in System.io, it means as a tag. Now, let's go to CRM, and under that you can click on the tags over here. And you can see already I have created a tag. You can always create the tag by clicking on this plus button, create, and you can name the tag and click on the save button. So once you have saved it, it will appear over here. Now, after creating the tag, what you need to do is that you have to go to your websites. If you remember, we have created the squeeze page and the bridge page under the sales funnel. So here we can see that YouTube tutorial. Now click on that YouTube tutorial, and under this you can see the squeeze page and bridge page. Now what you need to do is that click on the squeeze page, and under automation rules, you can create a new rule. Click on add rule, and under this you can see the trigger and the action. So what is the trigger? First we need to define the trigger. So when this event happens, so when you click on the plus button, so once a person subscribes to the funnel form, so once a person subscribes to the squeeze page, so this squeeze page is under the YouTube tutorial funnel, and you have already tagged the squeeze page. Now what is the action that is to be taken? Now click on plus button over here. Under this you click on add a tag. Now the contact will be added automatically to the tag. Now tag is nothing but a list if you consider Aweber or Getresponse. So I'm just going to choose the tag, which is the Google Leads. So once you have done that, you can click on save rule. So you can see this green tick over here which says that it is activated. So the step you're seeing right now is just when a person is subscribed to the squeeze page in your YouTube tutorial funnel, they will be automatically added to the tag Google Leads. So now let's go and create an email broadcast. So after doing this step, just go on to the emails and newsletters. So if you click on email newsletters, you will reach this page. So these are some of the broadcasts that I've already sent. So I'm just going to create a new broadcast. Click on this plus button and subject line test email, and sender name is my name and address, which we have already verified. Now if you have not watched this video, you can always refer to the top of the screen. Now under this we have two options, whether visual editor or classic editor. Now go for the visual editor and click on any of the template. I'm just going to select this template for now and click on save. So a newsletter has been successfully created. Now just go and click on this test email, and over here you can enter the subject line, and if you want to enter the preview text, you're always welcome. Now what you need to do is that in order to enter the body, you can just click on anywhere over here once. So it will take you to this page. Now you can remove all these details like connect me on Instagram. Just go and delete this, click on OK. Again, I'm going to remove the image, and if you want, you can always enter your image, and I'm going to just remove everything, and I'm going to make it as a plain text email, not much fancy stuff. Delete this, and I'm going to write hi there. Welcome to the VIP circle, and click here for your bonus. So this is just an example, not an actual broadcast. So you can always build upon this. Talk soon, Manu. How do you insert your link? You can always highlight this whole sentence, and then you can go and click on bold underline and click on this link option, and you can insert your affiliate link over here. If you're an affiliate marketer, or if you're an online business owner and want to promote your products, then you can always enter your own URL. Click on save changes and click on exit. So this is how you create the body. Now, if you want more personalizations and stuff, you can always check the sender name over here, the sender email address and attachment if you want to add any. And here you have to include the tags. Now, we can also send emails only to contacts who have registered like 1 day ago or 7 days ago. So you can always set your automations over here, and you can also include the tags. Now, tags is nothing but a list, so you can select the tags to which you want to send the emails to. So this is very much important, and you have to select the tags. And if you want to exclude some of the tags, then you can always click on this and exclude the tags to which you don't want to send the emails. So, and after that, you can see the available personalization substitutes. You can click on the drop down over here, and if you want to add your personalization to your first name, then you can just copy this and go to your body text again. Now here you can just replace this by the first name. So click on save changes now and click on exit. And once done, you can always click on this drop down and you can save and test to your own email addresses, or you can save and send immediately, or if you want to save and schedule it later, then you can always click on the save and schedule, and you can click on the time and make sure that you are in the proper time and click on apply. So that's how you can schedule this email broadcast. Once done, click on exit. So here you can see this email. So this is how you create an email broadcast in system.io. So in the next tutorial video, I'm going to share you one of the most important things, which is what is the challenge that you're going to face if you're going to use system.io for purely affiliate marketing using solo ads. So until then, bye.